Kia Carnes gets a robust 10 high safety package standard across all variants. 15th segment gets 6 airbags, ECE, VSM, BAS, HAC, DBC, downhill brake control, all-wheel disc brake, highline, tire pressure monitoring system, ABS, rear parking sensor. Kia Connect next-gen connected car technology. 14th segment connected car experience with 66 smart features with intuitive with interface. 15 class single with cabin surround 62 color ambient mode lighting, every possible shade to match every possible mood, and we are going to get some three driving multi-driving modes to choose the way you cruise with three modes at a service. One sports mode, normal and eco mode. We will be getting in this car pedal shifters, quick gear shifts for immersive driving experience. Now we're going to talk about the gear options. Gear options for the Kia Carnival for all the gear combinations. We're getting 7-speed DCT. We're getting 6-speed manual transmission, 6-speed manual and 6-speed automatic system manual transmission. We're getting powerful smart stream 1.4T GDI petrol engine, and we're getting advanced smart stream 1.5 petrol engine, refined 1.5 CDI VGT diesel engine we're getting in this car. And other than this features we'll be getting three interior colors. Seat option we'll be getting luxury plus and luxury option, and we're getting prestige plus and prestige premium look will be getting. This is the seat option. We also will be getting 5 luxury options like prestige. We'll be getting G1 G1.5 slash G1.4 TGDI slash diesel 1.5. We'll be getting the and we'll be getting premium G1.5 liter slash G1.4 GDI G1.5. We'll be getting prestige plus luxury plus will be getting this car. And the engine option with this car will be getting is Smart Steam 1.4 will be getting petrol GDI 1056cc. Will be getting maximum to 140 at 16 RPM will be getting. It will be getting 2 gear option, 6-speed manual, 7-speed diesel will be getting, and another will be getting Smart Steam 1.5 liter in a petrol. It's GDPF5 1495cc will be getting in car. Another 1.5 CDRI VGT gearbox that is diesel, that is CDRI 1493cc. This engine will be getting in this car. And other certificates what we getting in this car is IFSO fixed child anchor, high mount stop lamp feed, emergency stop signal, front seat belt with speed sensor and load limiter, speed sensing, door lock, impact sensing, door unlock. These are the features what we're getting with the Kia Carnival, and all the might be in some way we don't get that other feature, but all the variants will be getting the safety features. Safety will be getting expanded with all these carriers. And last one we'll be talking about the wheel liner. We'll be getting is an R16 16-inch dual tone crystalline cut alloy wheels. R16 we'll be getting steel wheel with full size wheel car. R15 we'll be getting an 15 size steel wheel with full size wheel car. These are the wheel line liner program. And this is guys. Thank you. Kia Carnes get a Kia signature Tiger face with digital radiator grille. Kia Carnes star map LED dials with crown jewel LED headlamps. Kia Carnes gets a star map LED tail lamps. Kia Carnes gets a chrome rear bumper garnished with diamond curling pattern. Sophisticated pattern cast in chrome makes the rear look stunning look. Kia Carnes gets a 15 class segment ventilated front seats. With days getting hotter, the driving experience gets cooler while lounging in the lap of luxury. Kia Carnes gets a fully digital LCD cluster with 10.6 cm with 4.2 TFT multi-information display, 15 class segment with high-tech modern look with all the important information for driving precision. Kia Carnes gets a 15 class segment smartphone wireless charger with cooling function, cools up your smartphone as it is charged on your journeys. Kia Carnes gets a R16 40.60 cm 16 wheels dual tone crystalline cut alloy wheels. This is 15 segment red finish, provides a sporty and muscular and a premium look. Kia Carnes gets a smart pure air purifier with virus and bacteria protection. 15 class segment cleans cabin air with protection from harmful virus and bacteria. Kia Carnes gets a 15 segment skylight sunroof. Think of it as your portal to a different world. Kia Carnes gets a 15 class segment second row one touch easy tumble seat. Quick and easy way to walk straight into the third row with just a touch of button. This is an electric tumble seat. Kia Carnes comes with a 26.3 cm 10.9 inch HD touchscreen navigation, perfectly high-tech way to stay entertain, navigate and connect with your world. Media, radio, seat, track, navigation, map you have got, tune option, that's a push and power option. You have got hazard lights I got, and same like Kia Carnival only, we have got some features totally AC, rear, front, heater. JLF and JLL like that finish seat in parking is controlled.
ಲೈಟ್ ಬರ್ತದ ಕೂಡ
ambient light on ಆಗಿದೆ AC events
ಎಲ್ಲ
blue color light ಇಲ್ಲ wireless charger. There are some seated wasted cable.
Given all the ventilated controls over here, DRVM. Both. Yeah, since it's a top model, so actually I saw the images
in the Toyota Innova, they got captain seats of got there. In the Toyota Innova, captain seats of got in the second row. And for the other seat, we have got the tray have got laptop tray is there. So it was very nice to sit in car. Because I've seen Toyota Innova and Fortune. Toyota Innova sat in the third wall here. It's very difficult for Toyota Innova to sit and get out. But here is very easy to sit this feature. Very comfortable seats are good. And rear I got only a little bit of boat is there in the back side. And some feature. We are getting two people sitting here. I'm very honored they are sitting here. And they are sitting with engine seats and the back rear seat. Not only I told you they have got a seated charging on the left side, borrowed from the tissue you can keep on the left side. I got seat belt for comfortable. For all the seats I got airbag 6 air. All the seats I got airbags, chargers I got. Charger is there and AC control is there. AC control is there. This here done a good job with that in the all the 3 seats, charger, AC and comfortable adjust again. Because many other cars they don't give charge and the AC or not the AC, but this one very nice option again.
Till the last. Okay, this is the last, is it?
That's how the second passenger is sitting. This is how much leg room I getting for the second row sitting.
ಲೆಗ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಫುಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ
That's the maximum guy is second row sitting. And see there's no leg room or the tie in the left back. Race seat on the passenger sitting. You can see out. And the section is in the front seat. We got AC vents, reading lights, all features are there. Third also they got reading lights, similar to. He has done a very good feature and Carnias not to minus any feature in all the row of the seats. When you compare Titan Nova. It's not an electronic adjustable boot you can say. It's a normal boot, hydraulic boot you can say. It's a fancy DCT gear of machine, Kia Canon, the top end model. You got a rail wiper, these forward, and this is like you see the Mercedes color type of tailgate again, single tailgate again. Mercedes also has a same single tailgate only, which is again. For opening, you just press this. This will get open. There's no automatic button like that. For this facing, we can create a automatic for seat opening. Like this, you have to put it. Like this. This is very effortlessly to put this thing. Put there and it gets locked here. Locked here. Okay, and we have door handle bar. Back side we got seats we got similar and left side we got the tissue paper, bottle holder, this charger we got. One seat charger we got and for 2 person we got 2 seats charger. Seat is bigger, that's a good small way. We have adjustable headrest we got. Same like Titan we got captain seats we got. For the second person we got captain seats. Captain seat is given. This is an option of full seat is not for second row things. Let me option I think. So no one can sit in the interior of the seat because no car interior is comfortable you can say. That is good. That is because the setup is very good quality again. It's a pretty heavy seat you can say. Toyota seats to put it back sir. That's how it looks. This one boot will get. That's all the toolkit, first aid kit, hazard light and for toolkit again. Okay. Same like Toyota Innova, like Innova again implicit boot there. If you press the charge bro, you get the lump sum boot again like that. Okay. That's it. And the DCT I got some clear color. 1.4 is a 1.4 DCT model I think. Top end panel engine bay is showing you last without the vehicle. At least you can see. 1.4 ಆಯಿತು ಹಾಂ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಕಿಯಾ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ
ಸರ್ 5 ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್
ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಟಾಪ್ ಎಂಡ್
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಟಾಪ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದ ಟಾಪ್ ಎಂಡ್
ಹಾಂ ಇದೇನು ಮುಂದೆ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀವ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್
ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್
ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಓಕೆ 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 ಅದನ್ನು ಹೋಗ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೇಮ್ ವೆನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ರೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದೇ ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಪವರ್ ಇರೋದಾ 1.4 ಟರ್ಬೋ ಎಂಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಎಂಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು
4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ,
ಹಾಂ.
1.5 ಲೀಟರ್
ಹಾಂ.
ಬರುತ್ತೆ
ಹಾಂ.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 1.5 ಲೀಟರ್ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ಹಾಂ. ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಅದೇ ಇದೆ ಕಲರ್ಸ್
8 ಕಲರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಹಾಂ ಈಗ ನಾವು 3 ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ 5 ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಕಲರ್ಸ್
ಸರ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್
ಹಾಂ,
ಬರುತ್ತೆ,
ಹಾಂ.
ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವೈಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ,
ಹಾಂ
ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್
ಹಾಂ
ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಟಿಕ್ ಡೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಇನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೇಸ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟೆಸಲ್ಲಿ ವೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ holder. Your panic finished again. It's not a panic, it is a plastic panic here. Got 6 airbags I got in this car. I think so the speakers are from the Kia Canal only, the speakers have been configured in this I think so. I think both for JBL some speakers are there. Speakers there. Off and auto temperature, fan options are there. Automatic camera control features are there. And somewhere USB 2 USB, one is a normal USB port B type and the C type 12 volt 120 charger. This was laptop charging. We got parking assist, park assist, heaters, drive mode, hill assist switches I got. This is the Sanskrit, this is a 1.5 Sanskrit DC we are seeing here. This is we got wireless lightings in the center and what about the holder, some armrest and this is a professional Kia. We are seeing this in the Hyundai cars. Hyundai cars are similar to the event for the Kia car. This for the customer car, go customer towing SOS will go features. This for the sunroof controls we have got. Sunroof controls is for the sunglass holder. This is the electric panoramic sunroof, and this is for the vanity mirror. Both ideas are given, and this one is the speaker. Front we got 2, back there 2 and rear got only 6 airbags are given. 6 airbags are given. All the 6 airbags are given in this car. System vehicle. We got RPM, kilometer, parking, fuel, indicators, temperature, fuel, everything is in digital given. So the things I got. And we got some control mode, voice assist, call, all on the left side. Right side I got all the cruise control, okay. Then horn, airbags, panels. Yes, sir. Let us the steering I got. Well, right I got all the headlight controls for this car. Left I got all the wiper controls. This is also DC, but we don't have clutch in this. There's only brake assist in this car. And